We move to the most coveted awards of the day, the National Highways Excellence Awards. But before we present the awards, I would just like to take a minute to highlight these awards. These awards recognize companies performing exceptionally and delivering finest quality services in construction and management of national highways and making strides to raise the bar of safety, innovation, and sustainability in the execution of these projects. The objective is to create an ecosystem that rewards high quality work, thus strengthening the road infrastructure in the country. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, with a team of Quality Council of India, headed by its chairman, Shri Adil Zainul Bhai, and Secretary General, Shri R.P. Singh, conceptualized and launched the awards in 2018 with 5 categories. In 2019, there were 2 new categories were added, and this year, special awards for structures, tunnel and bridge are being introduced. This year, 157 project nominations were received, and the final shortlist is judged by an esteemed jury committee, and they selected the final 17 winners. तो रुक करते हैं इस पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह की तरफ, द नेशनल हाईवे एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड्स 2020। और एक बार फिर से मैं हमारे माननीय मंत्रीजन उनसे विशेष निवेदन करती हूँ कि मंच के सामने आकर वे इन पुरस्कारों को लेकर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट पीपीपी मोड और इसके अंतर्गत गोल्ड अवार्ड दिया जाता है दिनेश चंद्रा आर अग्रवाल इंफ्राकॉन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को। May we request the representatives of Dinesh Chandra Agarwal Infocon Private Limited to please join us here. Ladies and gentlemen are being recognized for their project NH70 from Munabao, Sundra, Myajlar, Dhanana, Asutar, Gotaru, Tanot, Rajasthan. The gold award being presented to him. And now we have the silver award to Dilip Buildcon Limited. They're being recognized for the project 4 leaning of Yavatmal to Wadda Package 3, Maharashtra. ट्रॉफी और सर्टिफिकेट से इन्हें सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। अगली कैटेगरी है एक्सीलेंस इन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट ईपीसी मोड एंड द गोल्ड बीइंग प्रेजेंटेड टू सीगल इंडिया लिमिटेड। They being appreciated and recognized for their project Khemkaran to the start of Amritsar Bypass Package 2, Punjab. May I just request all the awardees as you come on the stage, please wear your mask. The silver award now being presented to Dinesh Chandra R. Agarwal Infracon Private Limited for their project Methi Bridge and approaches on India-Nepal border linking Kakalvita in Nepal and Panitanki in West Bengal, India. This is the category of excellence in project management EPC mode. And once again joining us is Dinesh Chandra R. Agarwal Infocon Private Limited representatives being recognized for the project Methi Bridge and approaches on India-Nepal border. The next category is excellence in toll management and the gold being presented to L&T Deccan Tollways Limited. For their project, Mangalgi Toll Plaza on NH65 section from Maharashtra-Karnataka border to Sangareddy. And the silver award in this very category being awarded to Ulandurpet Expressways Private Limited. For the project Vikramandi Toll Plaza, Tindivanam to Ulan-Durpet section in Tamil Nadu. Our next category is Excellence in Highway Safety Plain Terrain, and in this we have the Silver Award being awarded to Jarchela Expressways Private Limited for their project Hundapalli to Jarchela section, Andhra Pradesh. May we just request the awardees to please raise the chairs a little faster. Please accept the award. This is the recognition to Jarchela Expressways Private Limited for the project Hundapalli to Jarchela section, Andhra Pradesh. In the category Excellence in Highway Safety Plain Terrain, the silver award being presented to them. And next we have the category of Excellence in Operation and Maintenance, Flexible Pavement. There is a tie in this, 2 silver awards, and in no order of priority, the silver award being presented to DS Toll Road Limited for the project Dindigul Bypass to Samyanallur section, Tamil Nadu. May we request the representatives to please join us, and as there is a tie, the next awardee in this category, Ulan-Durpet Expressways Private Limited, recognition for their project Tindivanam to Ulan-Durpet section, Tamil Nadu. A tie in this category, Excellence in Operation and Maintenance, Flexible Pavement, और इसके अंतर्गत 2 सिल्वर पुरस्कार यहाँ पर दिए जा रहे हैं. पहला DS Toll Road Limited for the project Dindigul Bypass, और दूसरा यहाँ पर Ulan-Durpet Expressway Private Limited को for the project Tindivanam to Ulan-Durpet section, Tamil Nadu. अगली कैटेगरी है ग्रीन हाईवे, एंड इन दिस द गोल्ड अवार्ड बीइंग प्रेजेंटेड टू GMR Hyderabad Vijayawada Expressways Private Limited, recognizing them for their project 4x6 laning of Hyderabad Vijayawada section from 40 kilometers to 221.5 kilometers. And the silver awardee is Cube Highways and Transportation Assets Advisors Private Limited. Recognition for the project Kotakatta Bypass to Kannur section, Andhra Pradesh. And the next category is innovation, and in this the gold being presented to Afcons Infrastructure Limited. Recognition for the project replacement of superstructure of existing 4-lane Mahatma Gandhi Setu over Ganga River on NH 19, Bihar. Ladies and gentlemen, your claps are going to be ensuring a greater appreciation to all the awardees as they join us. And the silver award being presented to Devihali Hassan Tollway Limited. Recognition for the project Devihali Hassan section, Karnataka. These are the National Highway Excellence Awards which are being presented here. The awardees, the silver awardees in the category of innovation, now receiving the awards, Devihali Hassan Tollway Limited for the project Devihali Hassan section, Karnataka. The next category is outstanding work in challenging condition, and the gold being presented to BIPL AVL joint venture for the project Pasighat to Bomju Road, Arunachal Pradesh. If we have the representatives from BIPL AVL joint venture present with us. BIPL AVL जॉइंट वेंचर के प्रतिनिधि हमारे साथ यहाँ पर मंच पर उनको यहाँ पर सम्मानित किया जा रहा है उनके प्रोजेक्ट पासीघाट टू मोमजू रोड अरुणाचल प्रदेश से. और सिल्वर अवार्ड दिया जाता है SPL इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को. Recognition to them for their project Martin Dam Junction to Parvatipuram Junction flyover in Tamil Nadu. And ladies and gentlemen, as we stated this year, apart from the Excellence Awards, and we have added the special awards also. So the special award, Gold Award for Tunnel, goes to Afcons Infrastructure Limited for their project Atal Tunnel across Rohtang Pass, Himachal Pradesh. And again, the special award, the Gold Award for Bridge, being presented to SP Singla Constructions Private Limited for their project reconstruction of BP Mandal Bridge on NH 107, Bihar. And now we have the awards for the outstanding field officers of Ministry of Road Transport Highways, NHAI and NHIDCL, and we're beginning with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. This is for the road works in plain recognition to Shri Abhinav Kumar, Executive Engineer, Regional Officer, Vijayawada. From the hilly roads, we have Shri Saurabh Singh, Executive Engineer, RO Dehradun. Tunnels, Shri Devendra Chapekar, EE RO Mumbai. From bridges, Shri Raj Kishore Singh, Executive Engineer and Project Director, PIU Prayagraj. For outstanding work done during COVID-19, Shri Sunil Kumar, EVRO Bhubaneswar. These are from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, the outstanding field officers being recognized. And now from NHAI, would like to invite the outstanding officers, Shri Rakesh Prakash Singh, GM Technical, RO Chandigarh, Shri Jitendra Chaudhary, Manager Technical, PIU, Project Implementation Unit, Barmer, Shri R. Venkatesh Vallu, PG, Sambalpur and Kyunjhar, and Shri Sunil Yadav, General Manager Technical, PG, PIU, Amritsar, along with Shri R.M. Jiran, Manager Technical, PIU, Panvel. They are being recognized, NHAI officers across different categories, outstanding work in construction and development of highways in plain areas, in the construction development of highways in terrain areas, ETC rollout, FASTag implementation and allied works, and the outstanding work done during COVID-19 and also for the bridges and tunnels. Next, we have the recognition of the officers from NHIDCL. Shri Bipin Kumar Chand. From Ladakh, Shri Gurpreet Singh. Superintending Engineer, Ladakh, Shri Namgir Dorje, G. Ladakh. Shri Yogesh Kumar. Superintending Engineer, Arunachal Pradesh. And Shri Basit Tariq, G. Anantnag, JNK. Again, the officers being recognized for the outstanding work in construction and development of highways in terrain areas and the outstanding work done during COVID-19.
अच्छा वो ठीक उसके राजू इवेंट के बाद इधर ही मिलना है 2 मिनट के लिए
तो सभी पुरस्कार विजेताओं को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय मंत्रीगण का इन पुरस्कारों को दिया। Have launched a very unique and innovative and a participative nationwide road safety mass campaign and safe speed challenge championship to encourage and to promote safe driving. ये एक संयुक्त प्रयास है फिक्की सियाम और एनजीओ D2S ड्राइव स्मार्ट ड्राइव सेफ द्वारा। इसका उद्देश्य नागरिकों को सुरक्षित ड्राइविंग के लिए संवेदनशील बनाना और प्रशिक्षित करना है। Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be India's first ever reality show on wheels, and this is going to be captured pretty much in the Big Boss style. पल-पल की खबर आपको मिलती रहेगी. And all women nationally selected challengers will take on a never-before mission from Amritsar to Kanyakumari live on camera. The Safe Driving Rally, ladies and gentlemen, is open for public voting, wherein these nationally selected challengers are then going to be challenging millions of Indians to take on their own safe speed challenge on any roads across the country. तो challenger ही औरों को challenge करेगा। तो लाखों हिंदुस्तानियों का आह्वान करता हुआ ये चैलेंज क्यों जरूरी है, इस चैलेंज के बारे में अधिक जानकारी के लिए आइए देखते हैं एक लघु फिल्म।